Yes. Is ready. All right, ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause to Chef Judy.
Can we try?
Yes, of course, sir. This is why we have the Thai cooking demo for everyone today. Okay. Anyone wants to be first? Okay. All right, 5 ringgit. Just kidding, just kidding. No charges, okay? All right, anyone wants to try? Here you go, ma'am. It's less spicy. So normally it will be very spicy. So this is normal level. But I guess it also depends on the person. Sometimes people will say it's still spicy. So it depends on you actually. But you can have a try. Alright, ma'am, would you like to try, ma'am? Okay, sir?
Very good.
Delicious? Wow, chef, I think it's not enough, chef. A lot of people in line. All right, amazing, ladies and gentlemen, Chef Judy, thank you very much for the cooking demonstration. Do we have some more? I think the audience don't mind to have the whole thing, just to lick it.
Smile.
All right, with that, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause to Chef Judy. We apologize that the thing is not a lot, but I believe we have shared a glimpse of what Thailand can offer. All right, thank you very much, Chef. Pleasure to have you. So don't worry, we still have a Thai cooking demo tomorrow. So I'll be sure to relay the message to make it more for everyone, okay? So yeah, do enjoy the rest of the show, the rest of the evening, ladies and gentlemen. If you're interested to find out more about Thai apparels and fashion, go to level 2, alright? And for tomorrow, we're gonna have a more cooking demo and a cooking show. So do come over tomorrow for some more Thai dishes. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.